XDX Databook makes part selection and instantiation quick and easy. Powerful search and multiple filter methods help to find the right part. Post-placement verification ensures that all of your parts have the right information for both purchasing and manufacturing of the final printed circuit board. XDX Databook links your company part information with the PCB Central Library to provide powerful parametric-based part selection and placement into your schematic. Use the query builder to search for parts based on multiple criteria by quickly building up filters based on multiple part properties and conditions. You can narrow the search further by adding additional conditions to any existing query. Once you have found the part you need, place it in the design simply by dragging the symbol from the preview window. The part is added with all of the required properties. Alternatively, you can use the grid to filter the parts based on the column's content, and then place the component by dragging the part from the grid. Again, this will place the part with all the necessary properties for layout and manufacturing. But if you're not sure yet which part you need, you can place the part with properties common to the parts displayed in the results by using the buttons to the right of the search window. If changes are made during the design phase, you can use XDX Databook's verification options to ensure that the parts are available for manufacturing. Using live verification, you can check the components on a single schematic sheet. Here the 3 resistors have been verified and issues have been found with 2 of them. The first resistor was placed with all of the required properties and has passed the verification checks. The resistor with multiple matches was the one we placed only with common properties. And finally, the resistor with 0 matches had its value changed during the design process. By selecting each row in turn, we can search for matches in the parts database. When we have found the part we require, we can add the required data using the annotate buttons. The part with 0 matches is indicating there are no parts with the required value. Removing this condition and searching the database for available parts shows 18K as the nearest value available. To verify the full design, you can use hierarchical verification. You've now seen how XDX Databook provides a powerful tool for refining your part selection and placement of parts into your design, and how the verification options can avoid potential issues with the manufacture and purchase of parts later in the design process.